BTB Kicks here, and today we're back on the streets of Wicker Park. We're not there right now, but we're back on the streets again to see if any more strangers will let us take the shoes out for their feet, clean them up for free, get them a pair of shoes for free from Foot Locker. Not sponsored. Maybe sometime soon they might. We're gonna do that, see who we can get, and then we're gonna clean up some shoes. So let's get into it. Let's see, who can we grab? Excuse me, but real quick, I mess with the shoes. I actually own a sneaker restoration shop at Oak Park. Basically, if you let me take your shoes and clean them up, we can go down to Foot Locker and get you a pair of shoes to go home in, or take your pair with me, clean them up, and then I'll set up a time to give them back to you.
Yeah, I mean,
you're down?
Is there like a catch or anything?
No catch.
Sure. Wait, I need to check if I have enough time to do this.
Got you.
I don't know if I have enough time. There's someone else who probably needs it more than me. Hey, find someone good.
For sure. All right, bro. Dang. Bro, his shit was cooked. This is my page right here.
Okay, weird. Yeah, nah, sick. Like, I feel like I've seen them on like maybe TikTok too, or on IG, but just candidly. But yeah, man.
Okay, cool. All right, let's go. What's your name?
Raphael. Yours?
Raphael. Blake. Oh man.
Oh, no, appreciate it, bro.
Absolutely. All right. Are you going more for like the comfort vibe, or like?
I think a little comfort vibe, you know,
comfort
for the summer.
I feel you. It's a fire colorway too.
Oh yeah, no, I was just like, do you have this in the 10 by chance?
If you don't mind it, can I grab these real quick just to take a look at them?
Yeah, no.
You put in work on these,
honestly,
bro.
I'm the second person in them, so.
Yeah, I see you got a Roshi Run insole in them.
Oh, I was gonna say, yeah. Good man.
No problem. I would say you can just wear them out the store. I'm gonna have to take those with me.
Yeah. What you got going on the rest of the day? Just trying to find more people?
Pretty much, and then I got work tomorrow, so I'll get straight to work on your pair.
Weird. I got you. Layers. Layers? Yeah. Is medium and stuff. Definitely check it out.
Got your info, and then you probably won't get them back like this coming week just because it's the holiday.
Oh yeah, no, take your time on that. Thank you. You're doing me the favor. Shoot. Yeah, no, take as much as time as you want, you know.
For sure.
You good? What's your name one more time?
Blake.
Blake. Raphael. Yeah. If you want to pop into the shop, dog, like there's definitely people like around.
I'll check it out real quick. Yeah.
I got you.
Ooh, appreciate it. How you doing?
My guy Blake right here.
How you doing?
Kevin, nice to meet you.
Blake, nice to meet you.
What's going on, man? How you doing? Wes?
Good, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Blake. Yep.
Were you biking?
No. I'm actually filming a video. Well, I first look at their shoes as I'm walking by because I have a sneaker restoration shop. I'll clean them up for free, give you free restoration.
I think I've seen your videos before.
Really?
I have seen your video.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
If y'all ever need any work done, feel free.
Probably a little
Oh yeah,
than
bro.
they need to be, but...
Oh my gosh. That would actually be a good video. I cannot lie. And then can I see yours again? Pair of Solomon's too.
These are the, it's funny, these are the no tray ones.
If I'm being honest, I mean,
What, you want
I would say we can go to Foot Locker real quick. All right, let's do it. Grind don't stop, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. We're back.
Those look hella comfortable, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
So how are we doing the video? What's the video?
So, I mean, I'm already recording. Like,
What exactly is going on? Like,
yeah, y'all can pick a shoe that you want, and I'll buy it.
oh.
Yeah, so I'm taking the shoes off your feet, and then getting you a pair of.
buy us a shoe?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, nah. That's why Raphael came in with those other shoes on. Like, I have his shoes in this box, bro.
Wait. You about to hook us up like that?
Yes, bro.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Wait, I didn't.
Yeah, like this. Got his shoes up in here right now, bro.
No, I thought we were doing like a
I
video.
thought we were like gonna talk
Nah.
about it later.
No. This is
We're
real,
actually
bro.
looking this up right now. This is crazy, bro.
Like I was saying, I was looking at these shoes 2 weeks ago,
Yeah.
but they were too like narrow on me. It was like everydayers, you know?
They definitely remind me of the Solomons too.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, cool. Is it cool if I check those out?
Yeah,
real
please
quick?
go ahead.
Yeah, bro. These are. Yeah, I'm glad I said something to you all, cause.
Sorry, my stinks.
You're good.
Sorry for making you pull up them knives.
Yeah, these boys have seen better days.
How do you
Tough.
feel?
Oh, they feel great.
Do a little light jog. The light jog. Thanks again, bro.
Yeah,
I'm super
absolutely.
psyched.
Like,
I haven't had a new pair of shoes in a long time. Boom.
I'll take these to the counter. All right, we're going with these two. Cool. Appreciate it. And then let me get your y'all's contacts real quick.
yeah, sure.
All right, y'all. Now we're back in the shop. We have all three pairs in front of us, and now we're gonna take an even deeper look at each of the pairs. First shoe we'll start with is the Supreme Air Max 97s. Just looking at them, they're really not terrible. I feel like the colorway makes them look more dirty than they actually are. I will say there is some slight separation on the sole, which we will deal with. The paint is almost completely rubbed off on the midsole, so we'll probably have to hit that with the repaint along with the clean on the entire upper. We may also ice the bottom, as I do see some oxidation along the soles. That gray is more so brownish and has kind of like a yellow tint on it. Next shoe we're going to be cleaning is the Solomons. I think these honestly should be cool once they're cleaned up. There's a lot of wear and tear on these. There's a bunch of worn down spots in the back of the heel on the sock liner. We can't really do anything about that, unfortunately, but we'll definitely give these a good deep clean all the way around and flush out this mesh to make them look a lot brighter and newer than how they look right now. Then last but not least, the shoe I'm looking the most forward to cleaning is the Air Max Cactus Plant Flea Market. This is, I believe, from the first release because it has a leather sock liner as opposed to the newer release with the, I guess, cloth sock liner. These are just filthy, absolutely filthy, beat up, tore up, and I cannot wait to get my hands on these to bring these back to life. I know there's a lot of potential left in these to shine again, as they say, sunshine on the shoes. But without further ado, let's jump into this restoration and knock these kicks out. So we finished cleaning the first shoe. I did the other shoe off camera for Instagram Reels, but as you all can see, this is the initial clean. Obviously, they're not spectacular out the gate. Like, well, I'll say that we got the initial dirt off first of all and gave it a pretty deep clean. Now I'm gonna let these sit underneath the UV light while they dry to further brighten them up, and then we're gonna go back in and put our icing solution all around the midsole and bottoms once these are completely dry to bring them all the way back, or at least back as, you know, better than what they look like right now. Give me the ants. Lord have mercy. So we're back finally, and we finished all three of the shoes after a long week of hard work and detailing these kicks. Off the rip or off the bat, the most difficult shoe to deal with is probably the Forces, just because they were a lot more tedious than I would have thought they'd be to be an all leather shoe, and I had to go in and re-clean these a few times just to get them as best as possible. I did pop in a new pair of white laces, and it actually makes the shoe look a ton, like it looks a lot better, like just to put it simply. Moving on, the easiest pair of the bunch to work on was probably the Solomons. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's a mesh shoe. Once I cleaned it up, threw it in the wash, as you all saw. Pretty standard procedure on a mesh pair of shoes. I almost treated these like a pair of Yeezys or any basic shoe like that. And then last but not least, the shoe that took me the longest to do by far was the Snakeskin Air Max Supreme collab shoe. This shoe took me the longest to do because not only did I clean them, but I also gave them a midsole repaint, fresh white, and I even re-glued a part of the shoe that was like, because it looked like the whole sole was about to come off, and I just basically touched it up a little bit. I don't offer that as a service at my shop, but it worked out perfectly on this pair. So, and before we see the reactions, I want to remind you all to like, comment, and subscribe so I can continue to bless people out on the streets. I love making these videos, and by you subscribing, that really helps out with making these videos possible. But without further ado, let's get their reactions.
Oh shit. I'm ready for them to be like, just dead stock.
No, literally. Hey, hold up. God.
Wait, how'd you make it that way?
No, that's not.
But that's crazy.
No, literally.
New, like these are new life. Oh my god, you killed it, bro. Oh my god. I've never even seen the rubber. Like, I think I beat them so much that you couldn't even see it. That's insane. Dude, I'm like now realizing how much I beat the shit out of them. Like, dude, yeah, thank you once again, man. That's crazy. It's your turn now.
Oh no, I'm sweating. I was like, oh god, wow, this looks like I'm looking at it on the website again.
Dude.
Jesus, Jesus.
Yeah. It literally does look like it came out of the website.
No, literally.
Like the sole is so crispy. Man, that's insane.
No, thank you again, dog.
No problem.
Wow.
Now I want those shoes.
Oh,
Like, even down to the little, this?
Yeah, shoot, because I remember this used to be so dirty.
Yeah, because usually that gets dirty because of the sweat that builds up right there.
Wow, shoot. Man, I love just like the new paint smell. It feels like a new car.
Okay. These been like hurting, these boots been hurting me all day. I'm like,
You about to change into them?
I'm changing it. Like I got these.
It's so weird seeing it so brand new.
Actually, once you wrap up here, I'll show you.
Oh yeah, Wes's.
Oh wait. Hold on, wait, let me FaceTime him.
What's going on, bro? What's good?
So welcome in, y'all. What's going on?
This is about to be crazy.
Oh wait.
Hey, yeah, they're white again. This shit's so crazy.
Nah.
Damn.
Dude, bro, the creasing on the decreasing on these is insane.
Decrease is crazy.
Nah, cause like.
Oh, bro, you did your damn thing, bro. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. I'm glad you like them.
Nah, they're crazy, bro.
Yeah,
They look so sick.
shoot.
Yeah, leave them with you, Rafa.
I got you.
Shout out B2B. Go get your sneaks done. Get them cleaned up. We'll do them right.